remember the day I stepped into the welding shop and I tried oxy-fuel cutting for the first time, and I didn't want to stop. And I thought it was the coolest thing I'd ever done. And I knew that I wanted to study welding. Honestly, one of the things I love about it is that I'm small, and it didn't matter that I was small, because you don't need to have a whole lot of physical strength to be a welder. And I like the creative side of it. There's absolutely creative aspect to welding. You're earning while you're learning. So you're going to school, you're getting those hours. Every day that you're working, you're increasing your wage. And eventually you'll get up to full journey person wage, and it's a good wage. And you can make a very good living. When you're in the trades, it's recognized. When you're a hard worker, you stand out and you can go anywhere.